Mike, where can I find information from Huberman Lab regarding addictions and recovery? Great question. I get this a lot. A lot of people struggle with addiction. Addiction is a progressive narrowing of the things that bring you pleasure in ways that can be very disruptive for your life. These can be process addictions, meaning behavioral addictions. These can be substance abuse issues. First of all, I just want to say, while I have no formal relationship to them, there are wonderful zero-cost resources in every city around the world, 12-step communities. Go online, look for that. The meetings and programs that they provide are very useful. Have proven very useful. Actually, this was explored in a study from Stanford Psychiatry a few years ago because there hadn't been a lot of science on those sorts of programs, and the conclusion was they can be very, very useful. In terms of Huberman Lab resources, if you go to hubermanlab.com, put addiction into the search function, it will take you to specific timestamps, mainly of an episode that I did with Dr. Anna Lemke, who is our director of the Dual Diagnosis Addiction Clinic at Stanford, the author of Dopamine Nation, an absolute virtuoso in terms of the description of the underlying biological mechanisms, mostly surrounding dopamine, but also the approach to treating and getting over addictions. You can get over addictions. People get sober from their addictions. It takes time, it takes energy, it takes effort. And in every case, it's an incredibly rewarding thing that just makes your life and other people's lives better. So I highly encourage anyone that's struggling with process addictions or substance abuse addictions or alcohol use disorder or things of that sort to pursue those resources.